In today's video, we are making some gummy candy out of fruit. Guys, Benjamin Librato asked if we could make a gummy coconut. Yes, we can.
I think we can do more than just that. Instead of just going for a gummy coconut, we thought we would try a few different types of fruit. So here we've got a coconut, an avocado, a couple limes, and several grapes. And we have ideas of how to make gummy versions of all of these. Let's get started.
Here's the basic idea. We have 4 different kinds of fruit. We are going to find a different way to hollow each one out and fill them with gummy candy. All right, so the first thing that we're gonna do, we need to hollow out this coconut. Now, you guys have seen in previous videos how Grant breaks open a coconut. You get a perfectly clean cut, so we're gonna do that. So we're gonna take this outside. When Grant did this, he used a sharp rock, the edge of it on the coconut. I was actually able to smash my coconut open just using flat ground, so I'm gonna try that again.
Oh, look at that.
Nice. So this one we won't even have to worry about carving out at all. That piece came right out. So while Nate finishes cleaning out the coconuts, I'm gonna go ahead and start on the gummy candy center. We are gonna be using some Knox gelatin, some heavy whipping cream, sweetened condensed milk, and some flavoring. In previous videos, you guys have seen Grant make Lego gummy candy, and we're gonna be using a similar recipe, but we're actually gonna be making this even a little bit more solid, and it's gonna be opaque because we want it to look just like a coconut inside. Measurements for this are really simple. I used about 3/4 of a cup of water, 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream, 1/2 cup of sweetened condensed milk. I'll be adding a little bit of flavoring, and we'll be adding 3, maybe 4 packets of gelatin. So now that I've got a bit of a simmering boil, that's as hot as we really need this. So because we want this coconut to cure pretty fast, I'm going to be using 4 packets of gelatin in cold water, which I'll be adding to our gummy candy. If you wanted this to be a little bit softer, you could use maybe even 2.5 packets and it would be just fine. Disgusting, but that's how you make a gummy candy.
We've got a couple of coconut halves that fit nicely together, and we are gonna need to seal these off. So what we're gonna do actually is take some sandpaper and just sand down the edges, because we are going to use some tape to hold these together while our gummy cures inside.
Aha! One spot is refusing to stay. I'm gonna put more tape on it. If it doesn't work with duct tape, you're not using enough duct tape. Go kick it around in the snow. Nate, go on.
It's a coconut, that'll hurt.
Probably shouldn't be in sneakers.
Don't worry, my sneakers are new and very waterproof.
Oh, I can tell, yeah.
Why? My shoe is off.
You weren't paying attention. In case anybody is wondering why we're doing this randomness, we're trying to cool them down in the snow because it's actually a whole lot colder out here than it is in our fridge. So our coconuts have to keep rotating to make sure that we create a hollow inside for them when we cut them open. So I left Nate out in the snow, and I'm gonna go ahead and start on the other fruits. I don't know about you guys, but I don't think that an avocado flavored gummy candy is gonna be good. So I think I'm gonna go with mint for this one. Cool, now let's make a filling. Measurements for this one are gonna be just the same as we did for the coconut filling. So I've got 3/4 of a cup of water, 1/2 cup of heavy cream, 1/2 cup of sweetened condensed milk, and then we'll be adding in about 1/2 cup of cold water with our gelatin in it after. This will be the mintiest avocado there ever was. We are gonna add one other thing that we didn't add to the coconut. Food coloring. That's kind of the color of an avocado. You don't have to use this much gelatin. This is kind of overkill. We just really want to make sure that this cures fast. Next up, limes. So for this mixture, again, because we want everything to set very quickly today, we've only added about 3/4 of a cup of water. I've added in half of an extra gelatin packet and then a full packet of lime jello. This is not the recommended way to make jello, but it does work. So Nate poured out half of one of the avocados, just trying to get it from the counter to the fridge. So I'm gonna put these in the fridge and then pour the jello in. All right, we have an avocado, 2 coconuts, and a lime in the fridge.
What's next?
Surgery on a grape. We're literally trying to hollow out a grape. The same way that you would when you're trying to hollow out an egg so you can carve it or make it into an ornament. I've shoved a needle all the way through. And now we're just gonna try and hollow out the insides by blowing the guts out. That'll be fun.
Weird.
Yep, I have a hollow grape. I'm very proud of myself. Here's the thing. We're not just trying to make these grapes sad and hollow inside. We're putting stuff back.
A little bit of the gelatin leaked on this coconut. It's a little slimy.
Wait. No. It bounces in your hand.
Kind of does. You can feel it like vibrating as though it were a spring or something.
I'm so thrilled right now.
I put the lime in the coconut.
I'm proud of you. Well, that one doesn't look like a coconut, but it looks awesome.
There's our lime coconut.
Let's see what our real coconut looks like. Okay, that side does.
That side looks great.
Yes.
This side, well, maybe I should have kept kicking it around in the snow a little bit, but it's not bad. That's really not bad.
That's actually really cool. You can see that edge. It looks like a coconut. I want to try this. A coconut made from jello and snow. It's really good. The avocado.
We've got the look of the inside, but we are missing a key element. I think we have a great idea for how we're going to add that key element in. Doesn't taste like avocado at all.
World's mintiest avocado. That's amazing. And it tastes really good. Should we see how our limes turned out?
Yeah. Jello, segmented lime.
Oh, that's fun. Done.
Oh.
Pina colada flavored energy drink? Yes.
A lime slice on a gummy coconut with a pina colada flavored drink inside.
I've never been happier.
The candy island life all together. Oh, that has some real lime in it still.
That's cool.
Mmm. Nice and tart.
There. My wedge has less lime in it. And that's,
It's tart.
tastes like a lime. This would be really fun to do with oranges, grapefruit, like a bigger fruit that you can carve out the pieces a little bit easier. This would be a fun snack. Nate's just eating the lime. I have to go.
Wait, get the grapes.
Dang it. Can't get the edge. Aha.
I hit the stick.
Okay, but I actually want to know what it tastes like now that we've done surgery on a grape.
Surgery on a grape.
Surgery on a grape! It's really good.
You thought it couldn't be done. you may not have said it out loud, but in your head, you thought we couldn't do it, but we could, we did. We might be the first people to hollow out the guts of a grape and fill it with grape-filled jello.
Thank you, Benjamin Librato. That was a lot of fun, but we've always got more for you to see. This box up here at the top will take you to our latest video. That box at the bottom is what YouTube thinks you should be watching next. Hit this bob in the middle so you're subscribed and you never miss out on the fun. Don't forget to ring that bell, and we'll see you in the next one. Talk to you then.